The corpus callosum is the major neural structure connecting the left and the right side of the cerebral hemispheres, which are located right here and right here. So when the left and the right hemispheres are together, information from one side to the other. This is what makes it so when people try to draw a square and a circle at the same time, you get ridiculous shapes like that, because the left side of the brain goes to the right hand and the right side of the brain goes to the left hand, and it wants to make the same shape. The right side of our brain tends to handle visual and spatial information. This makes sense as to why when two people run into each other shopping,
I know you. You look familiar. Oh yeah. Didn't we do that thing last week together? Yeah.
they remember who the other one is. The left side of the cerebral hemisphere deals with logic and language. Now, some people have a little bit of a harder time with the logic piece. As you can see, 3 plus 3 is 9. That's her doing. And then there are people who can handle the logic better and do things like stats homework. Logic also is language, so when we see two people having a conversation,
I'm going to knit a sweater for my hairless cat this weekend.
Very nice. I don't know how to knit.
yeah, and there you go. When it comes to studying the 4 different lobes of the brain, we can show the 2 different ways of studying that the left and right hemisphere provide. The right hemisphere is a more image-based study technique where you look at the picture of the brain and memorize the different lobes and the functions they have, and then the left side of the brain is more a definition-based way of memorizing them, and people who can relate the 2 together are usually the students who will succeed the most because they have the definitions and the concept of the image.